actually a newbie to the award. So it doesn't mean that you have to be an experienced CSC manager to be able to find your spot in this Excellence Award. Congratulations. Our next finalist is Esther Solamo of Banay Banay Feeds. Esther holds multiple positions in the Banay Banay local government, but this does not stop her from improving the services of the Banay Banay Feeds Center. She played a key part in pushing for the establishment of the cyber communities and satellite barangay CEC in the municipality. She likewise implemented the daily fish catch monitoring database for fish farmers and feeds IS databases in the feeds center. Ladies and gentlemen, Esther Solamo of Banay Banay Feeds. May we now call on our next finalist. 2 down, 3 to go. So the 3 of you, let's find out. Another one to make it in the finalist role is Val Mirabueno of Mauban, Quezon. Under the leadership as CEC Manager, Val geared the Mauban CEC to incorporate services on education, disaster management, and health promotion. She is the central figure in key partnerships involving the CEC, the NCC, UPOU, and PLDT partnerships, which gave birth to the Mauban Learning Veil, and most notably, the Mauban and UP-PGH partnership, which made possible the e-counseling health service. Malvera Bueno, congratulations. Now we're down to 2 finalists. So the last finalist for the CEC, Field CEC Excellence CEC Manager category is Eugene Ramos of Tanawan, Leyte. He's still not with us, but Eugene continues to single-handedly implement the E-Eskwela program and the PDLWC in the municipality. He led the creation of the digital literacy in a barrio, which allowed grassroots women to join digital literacy sessions without leaving their homes. He is part of the Global Connection and Exchange program, and he serves as the link between the community center and the different local government organizations, school, barangay units, and national partners. And without further ado now, ladies and gentlemen, may we now call on our grand winner, the Outstanding CEC Manager for 2012, Engineer Romarico Cabellon of San Remio, Cebu. Romy initiated the move to fully connect all barangays in San Remio through a single network. This paved the way for the establishment of a satellite CEC in the barangay of San Miguel. He is currently one of the coordinators for the Global Connection and Exchange Philippines program in partnership with the Philippine Community East Center Network and the PhilSecNet and International Research Board, or IREX. For his triumph, Engineer Cabellon receives a plaque of recognition, a brand new note netbook, a 500 gigabyte external hard drive, a full scholarship to the Community Development Training for CEC Managers course, and of course, the earned distinction of being the best CEC Manager in the Philippines for 2012. Congratulations! So to all our winners, congratulations everyone who and to those who participated in this year's awards. So ladies and gentlemen, this year we also shine the spotlight on local chief executives who support their community centers greatly contributed to the performance of these centers and in turn to the quality and impact of such services on the people of their communities. We are privileged, therefore, to announce that the 2012 award for the local chief executive with exemplary support for community center goes to Mayor Pedro Mejos of Banay-Banay, Davao Oriental. Sir? The local chief executive now whose support for the community center manager enabled that manager to move beyond the expected norms of performance and to achieve quality and impact of service that merits special recognition. Mayor Meros, as our chief executive supporter, will be receiving a plaque of recognition and a digital photo frame. So, we are also therefore privileged to announce that the 2012 award for the local chief executive with exemplary support for a CEC manager goes to Mayor J. Olivar of San Remiro, Cebu. Receiving this award on behalf of Mayor Olivar is Mr. Antonio Villamor, San Remiro, Sangguniang Bayan member and CEC Core Group member. Mayor Olivar will likewise be receiving a plaque of recognition and a digital photo frame for them to document all their pictures of CEC activities to be put on display for the community. So once again, congratulations to everyone. Until the next Excellence Awards, keep on striving for excellence. Congratulations. So, of course, this is an annual event. Hope to see more applications or nominees for the 4th Excellence Award. So, ladies and gentlemen, the 8th Knowledge and Exchange Conference raises the curtains on the Philippine CEC Program Standards and Certification Protocol for the accreditation of community centers. This now becomes the institutional norm by which CECs throughout the country assume formal membership in the national network and by which their operations, growth, advancement, and stature will be classified, recognized, and rewarded. The standards and protocol were arrived at after much effort and were tested before adoption and presentation in this occasion. Today, we acknowledge the efforts and contributions of 8 community centers who took part in the test run and prototyping of the standards and protocol, naming and recognizing them as the pioneers who blazed the trail towards developing standards for CECs and helping set up an accreditation system, the first of its kind, more than a decade after the first CEC started operating in our countryside. Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you the 8 pioneers. I don't know if they're all around, but we will acknowledge these 8 pioneers. Please come forward if you're here and remain on stage for a group photo with our Undersecretary, Luis Napoleon Secretary. May we call on Nahujan CEC, run by Engineer Elmer Lopos. If you're around, please come forward. But we also would like to acknowledge Ginobatan Fits under the hand of Dr. Leilani Fabilado. Yes, you're here. Bigan CEC under the management of Mr. Arnel Fortuna. Lapu-Lapu CEC under the leadership of Mr. Pepito Pogado. OWA Tacloban, led by Ms. Norma Del Rosario. Tel-Off Tacloban, who participated through the contributions of Ms. Concesa Laksamana. OWA Caraga, under the helm of Miss Lynette Isalina and